This is the unboxing of a water filter for my refrigerator. I got this 3-pack off of Amazon. And this is what's inside. You can see the specs for it. It's a wrapped filter, EPT WFU01. So this label stays on it. What's nice is they give you a label here to put on it, and since it's October, I'll put October on here. Kind of hard to get the label off. There we go. So I'm going to put it right here where it's easy, hopefully, to see. Now let's go put it in. Here's how we remove it. We just go in and get the old one, twist it, and it comes right out. And I wrote the date that I'm putting the new one in, that way I can see how long it's been in there. And we just insert this. Locks in place. And then what we need to do is we need to get a glass of water. And we need to run some water through here. Purge it from anything. Looks pretty clear. There.